Ready to make your follow-up boss emails ridiculously clickable? Let's turn your images into interactive powerhouses. First, log into your follow-up boss account and navigate to where you create your emails, or wherever you're inserting images. Think marketing templates, automated workflows, wherever that picture's going. Now, upload the image you want to use. I'm using a property photo today, but it could be anything: a team photo, a company logo, a promotional graphic. Click on the image to select it. You should see options for editing the image appear. Look for something like link, hyperlink, or an icon that resembles a chain. It depends slightly on your follow-up boss setup, but it's usually pretty obvious. A window or a text field should pop up. This is where the magic happens. Paste the URL you want people to go to when they click the image. In my case, I'm pasting a link to the property listing on my website. Hit save or apply. Whatever button confirms the link. Now, test your work. Send yourself a test email. Open the test email, hover your mouse over the image and double-check that the correct link appears in the corner. Click the image to make sure it takes you to the right place, and that's it. You've just created a clickable image in Follow-Up Boss. Get creative with your images, links, and make those emails convert.